Hey friends, if you wish to open a command window, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So first of all, you can search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and open it, which is easy. The second one is to search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the Administrator or the elevated command prompt window. Okay. Another method which is more common is to press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command cmd and hit enter. This will open the command prompt window, okay? And then you can type whatever you want to, but this is not the elevated one. So press the Windows key and the R key together and press shift and hit enter. Okay, this is another way to open the command prompt window. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.